Okay, this is the remote control for pushing buttons and pulling switches. Testing fire alarm panels with one person. Turn it on right here. You turn the remote control on and shove this on the panel and use these adjustments to hit any two buttons for reset or silence or whatever you want. And you hit a button and it pushes it. That was one. There's two. It's pretty simple. And when you have panels that have a toggle switch or slide switch, you just slap this on the toggle and then it hangs up on the toggle on a string like so. And there's solenoids in this box, and simple, they just, you hit the button and it pulls on the switch and releases it. It'll work on any spring-loaded switch. And this is the receiver, load-our receiver. It can be pulled out of here and hung up with a hook to get better reception, but you can usually use this about any size building. Holds on with these magnets. I had other clamps for it, but the magnets seem to work out better. You just slap it right on there and adjust it. It only takes a minute. Fine tune it and you're ready to go. Got some extra solenoids right here for different power and different reach. That's about it. Buy it and do your testing or repairs with just one person.